This is the Fitbit Charge 7, and according to Fitbit, it's the smartest fitness tracker they've ever made. Better health tracking, smarter insights, and a design that's supposed to replace your smartwatch and your fitness band. But after wearing this thing day and night, workouts, sleep, stressful workdays, I realized there's something Fitbit doesn't really highlight in the marketing. So the big question is this finally the perfect fitness tracker or just another incremental upgrade? Fitbit Charge 7 Product Overview. The Fitbit Charge 7 is Fitbit's latest flagship fitness tracker released in 2025, sitting right at the top of their tracker lineup. It's designed for people who care deeply about health and fitness, but don't necessarily want a full-blown smartwatch on their wrist. Think runners, gym-goers, busy professionals, and anyone who wants deep health insights without constant notifications buzzing their arm. Fitbit's big pitch here is smarter health tracking, improved GPS accuracy, and tighter integration with Google's ecosystem, all while keeping that legendary battery life intact. Fitbit Charge 7 Performance. In daily life, the Charge 7 is fast, responsive, and just effortless. Swiping through menus feels smooth, taps register instantly, and I never had moments where I was standing there awkwardly waiting for the screen to wake up. I use this for everything, from morning runs and gym sessions to tracking stress during long workdays, and the experience felt refined. The improved GPS locks on faster than older Charge models, which means less waiting around before a run and more accurate distance tracking. That's a huge quality of life upgrade. Heart rate tracking stays consistent even during high-intensity workouts, and step counting felt spot on. Sleep tracking is still one of Fitbit's strongest areas. Throw this on at night, forget about it, and wake up to incredibly detailed insights without doing anything extra. Features and tech. First up, advanced health metrics. You're getting continuous heart rate tracking, SpO2, skin temperature variation, ECG, and stress tracking. That sounds like a lot of buzzwords, but here's the real benefit. It helps you understand trends, not just how you feel today, but how your body is changing over time. Second, built-in GPS, now smarter. This is huge if you run or bike without your phone. Routes are more accurate, pace tracking is better, and you can finally trust the post-workout data. Third, Google integration. Google Wallet and Google Maps-style navigation cues make the Charge 7 feel more modern. You can tap to pay, check directions mid-walk, and stay connected without pulling out your phone. And finally, Fitbit Premium Insights. Yes, it's still behind a subscription, but the personalized readiness scores and health insights are genuinely useful if you're serious about improving fitness, not just tracking it. Design and build. The Charge 7 keeps that slim, lightweight form factor, but the brighter AMOLED display makes a huge difference outdoors. Sunlight visibility is excellent, and the glass feels durable without being bulky. It's comfortable enough to wear 24/7, which matters more than people realize. The band is soft, flexible, and never irritated my wrist even during sleep. And while it doesn't scream luxury, it looks clean, modern, and neutral enough to wear to the gym or the office. Battery life. The Charge 7 easily lasts 6 to 7 days on a single charge with regular use, and around 5 days if you're hammering GPS workouts. That means no daily charging anxiety, no bringing chargers on weekend trips. Compared to most smartwatches that barely survive 24 to 36 hours, this feels liberating. You charge it once, forget about it, and focus on actually using the data instead of managing battery life. For a health-focused device, this kind of endurance just makes sense. Pros. Excellent health and sleep tracking. Accurate, faster locking built-in GPS. Slim, comfortable design, perfect for 24/7 wear. Cons. Some advanced insights locked behind Fitbit Premium. Limited app ecosystem compared to full smartwatches. Final verdict. If you're someone who prioritizes health, fitness, and battery life over flashy apps, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's one of the best fitness trackers you can buy right now, especially if you want deep insights without smartwatch distractions. If you're coming from an older Charge model, this is a meaningful upgrade. Better GPS, smarter health tracking, brighter screen, it all adds up. But if you want tons of third-party apps, replying to messages, or full smartwatch features, you might be better off with something like the Pixel Watch or Apple Watch.